Students, welcome to our lecture number 15. In this lecture, we shall discuss report, types of reports, guidelines for report writing, decide on the structure, and how to write a report. Reports are very common in organizations. The freelance market is full with report writing. There are many projects in which organizations require report writers. So if you learn report writing and become proficient in it, then you can bid for those projects, and you can also prepare reports for those organizations. It can help to earn a handsome amount. So let's start our lecture. What is a report? First of all, we shall discuss what is a report. It is an account of event or events that have already occurred, including details and evidence. Report is presenting the analysis or investigation of an issue. In report, you can recommend actions or ask for proposals. It is an integral part of industries, academics, and businesses. Types of reports. There are different types of reports, such as report for donor against a donation, complaint report, survey report, annual report, yearly reports for institutes, news report. Reports may differ in volume, formality, templates, vocabulary, styles of graphics, and tables. Guidelines for report writing. Determine the objectives. The objectives should be concise, specific, and achievable. Know the audience. The report should be according to the audience or business sector. Research what happened and see the documents and related material. Anecdotes. In report, add the people who were in survey or interview. Market feedback, what others say about it. Decide your perspective. Discuss with others to provide your opinion. Make concept maps. Consider key information, see the trends, themes, and topics. Make an outline structure. You can see reports of other popular companies. Cyclic writing. Don't move according to headings but add information. Editing. Numbers, date, tables, data, facts should be correct. Remove contradiction. Edit line by line. Learn whether the objectives set in start are met or not. Circulate draft. The structure of the report is same, but some details may differ from report to report. The difference depends on the type of the report, whether it is research report, business report, investigation report, or laboratory report. How formal the report has to be. Length of the report. In appendix, you can include information that is too long to include in the body of the report. Supplements or complements the information in the report, such as tables, spreadsheets, and brochures. How to write a report. You can be a worthy employee and valuable asset of your company if you know report writing. Follow these steps to write a report. Decide on terms of reference, conducting research, writing an outline, data analysis and record finding, recommendation, editing and distribution. Decide on terms of reference. Many formal reports include a section called Terms of Reference. This section of the report provides following information: why the report is necessary, what the report is about, what is the purpose of the report, when it was written. This section of the report is important for the writer and reader. It provides information about the above questions. The first paragraph of the report shows the relevancy and one can come to know about it quickly. Conducting research. You conduct a research of data related to your topics and save it. You can collect data, or it is possible that you may have access to the data. It is an important part of report writing to write and format it in a way which is understandable by your readers. You can add graphs, charts, or pictures to make it easy and understandable. You can provide references where you find the data. Writing an outline. In this step, you write an outline of the report. You can use numbered or bulleted list for this purpose. The outline of the report may look like title page, table of contents, executive summary, introduction, terms of reference, summary of procedure, findings, analysis, conclusion, reference or bibliography. Write first draft. It is an important stage to write the first draft. It does not mean to write a perfect report, but put all the events and information on the page. The basic purpose of this draft is to organize your analysis and data in the form of a document which can be edited later. You come to know about the information, gaps and drawbacks in the document. You should make the notes and finish the draft to have a report. Data analysis and record finding. Findings is the main section of every report. This section shows the valuable information related to the issue. It is worth reading if the result is not ideal. All the data and findings must handle accurately and in a manner to reach a conclusion. Recommendations: what action or steps should be taken? In this step, you provide the solution of the problem and what should be done, happened next. The following things may help in recommendation. Reread your findings and conclusions. What the person or company should do who asked for the report. What actions should they carry? Your recommendations should be practical and logical based on your conclusions. There should be enough details for the reader that what should be done and who should do it. Your recommendations should be written as a numbered list and ordered from most to least important. Editing and distribution. The final step of the report is to finalize and distribute it to the audience. You should reread it or ask someone else to proofread it to avoid mistakes. The distribution of the report can be done by printing or sending emails. You need to check following things. Read the instructions and guidelines. What is asked for? Read the assignment question. The required sections are present in the report and in correct order. Your information is authentic without any gap. Your arguments are logical. Your information supports your conclusions and recommendations. Have you explained all terms, abbreviations, and symbols? All the tables, diagrams, and illustrations are numbered and labeled. Is the formatting of heading and numbering in the whole report is correct? Your report is readable and effective that a reader can go through it well. The writer should eliminate spelling, grammar, and typo mistakes. Thank you.